Okay, so today is Friday, which is typically your fun day, right?
And guess what?
What?
After the day after this day, tomorrow is going to be the day I get to plant my seeds because it's going to be Easter Sunday.
Right. What she's referring to is instead of having an Easter basket that she finds on Easter morning, we actually plant jelly beans and they sprout, and the Easter bunny helps her to sprout eggs out of the ground, right?
Right. But there's one problem.
What's the problem?
Well, it's not really a problem. It's that we were going to do an experiment and we lost our things.
You lost what? You can't find the dirt?
No, I can't find the dirt or the water.
Oh my goodness. Okay, well you're gonna have to go see if you can find it.
Let's go this way.
Okay.
Maybe it's on the other side.
No. Okay. All right.
Nope. Let's go here by the car. Still not there.
Still not here, huh?
Where is that dirt and water?
I don't know. You were in charge of it.
Maybe it's in the tree.
Looking up in the tree, do you see anything?
Nope.
Oh, okay.
There it is.
Oh, did you find it?
Yeah, look.
All right, let's see. Oh, wow. So we have a water bottle and we have a bag that looks like there's some potting soil in there. Is that what's in there?
Yeah, potting soil.
So what's our experiment? What are we doing today?
Our experiment is to make rain.
We're going to make rain. How are we going to do that?
Well, since we already put some water in here.
Yeah. We tested it out already, right?
Yeah, we tested it out.
Okay.
And we're going to spray it.
Okay, so let's see. Let's show everyone how do you do it.
So first, just open the Ziploc or something that you have at your home.
Okay.
And then take your spray bottle.
And what's inside the spray bottle?
Water.
Just plain water?
Yep, and then you spray it inside.
Okay. Looks like you're spraying very well.
Let me put that down for a minute and let me turn it around.
Okay. Turn it around. Spray some more.
And once you're done, what you're going to do is you're going to tape it, or you can stick it if you like.
Okay, so you can, after you're done spraying it, then you tape it to a window, right?
Yeah, or if you don't have tape, you can just use glue.
I don't know if I'm going to use glue. I think maybe tape is good.
Yeah.
Tape is good? Okay, so we use tape and we tape it to the window, and then what happens after you do that?
And when we after we tape it, it makes rain. So,
right, so what happens with it starts to create, look, because it's already creating water droplets, right?
Yeah.
And then they start to come down the side, and you're watching evaporation happen. And what happens to the bag? Does it stay clear, or does it get really cloudy?
It gets cloudy.
Yeah.
Because when it rains, it gets cloudy outside.
Oh, okay. And then when the clouds get really heavy, and then what happens?
When the clouds get very heavy, it starts to rain.
Right, because it can't hold all the moisture, right? Moisture evaporates, and goes up into the air and then goes into the clouds, and then when the clouds get too heavy, they release the moisture, and that's rain, right?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
But wait,
What?
where's the tape?
Oh, you know what? We didn't bring the tape.
Oh dear.
Oh dear.
And
So we'll have to go get tape and then tape it up on the window, right?